Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Thank you all. Please help me to share, invite. Boy Kwase, I greet you, Baba. Happy weekend. Good evening to you all. Good evening, my people. Good evening. Happy weekend. Hope you guys had a lovely weekend. Now so, weekend not to suburb, weekend not to enjoy, weekend not to stay with family. My topic tonight is, what is your priority in life? What is your priority in life? And that priority is for everybody. It is for you to be to answer. It is also for me to also answer. It is also for the government. It's for everybody. As a living human being, when you are alive, we all have our priority. We all have what we believe in. We all have what we want to get. We all have our destination. So what is your priority as a human being? What is your priority? What is your priority? What are you targeting? What is your target? What is your target in life? What are you hoping for that you really want to get to? What is your destination? Is your priority to create problem here and there, and at the end of the day, you left? Is your priority as a government or as a governor to see your people smile? Is that your priority? Is your priority as a governor to make the best that you can make, to make your community to be proud, or entire state to be proud of you when you might have left the office? What is your priority in life? It is for us also, individual. Let's just forget about the government set now. Individual, what is your priority in life? As a father or as a mother, what is your priority? Is your priority to be a bad father? Is your priority to be a bad mother? What is your priority? That is what my topic is about this evening. Please help me to share, my people. Help me to share. Help me to share. Help me to share. I will start with the government tone first. I will start with the government tone. Because why I will start with the government before I go to individual. You see this social media life, and the aspect of every human being life. We all have our goal. We all have our target. We all have where we want to be as a human being. We all have our priority. Some people priority might to build house. Some people, their priority, their own goal is to just have wife, children, no house. Some people priority now to make sure say, waiting they never get for life, their children get them. Waiting they not achieve, the suffer where they suffer. You know, when you there Africa, you go tell yourself, say, who say not sorry, when the suffer where you suffer, your children not go ever suffer. Now your priority be that. That is your goal. And at the end of the day, now that thing will be say be your pain you go focus on. So my question this evening, Mr. Governor Godwin Obaseki, sir, what is your priority for Edo people? What is your goal for Edo people? How do you want to see Edo State in the nearest 3 years in your office remaining now? What is your priority? Because last time I spoke about this, our brother Kamaru Usman, but you were not there, Mr. Governor, sir, to welcome him. Kudos to the Deputy Governor Shaibu. It's a welcome development, because somebody was even asking me, what is the welcome development there? It's a welcome development in Edo State, because why? I said it's a welcome development. Governor Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State invited him. Even Kogi State Governor invited him. And this person is not their son, but they were proud of him being in Nigeria, at least bringing that trophy, bringing that bet, giving Nigeria that name. Is a kudos. And they were all celebrating him. But for me, thinking, okay, he will go to Benin and they will invite him. When he gets to Benin, our governor will be there. But unfortunately, it was not there. Mr. Governor Godwin Obaseki, sir, Your Excellency, sir, what is your priority concerning Edo State people? What is your priority, sir? What is your priority? What is your goal to achieve in Edo State? Baba Osayende, I greet you, my brother. Good evening. Happy weekend. What is your priority? What is your focus in Edo State? Because they will say, comparing Governor Edo no be Lagos. 3 days ago, Governor Sanwo-Olu bus stop for Yaba. Go see the bus station. You will not even think that that place is Lagos. You know those days they'll say, "Hey, but they are trying their best now to change things. Are we going to talk of Governor Zulu of Borno State? Borno State that they have the highest. When they talk of terrorists, the highest are there. The governor is being chased here and there every day. But that will not stop the governor. The governor has he has done up to about 500. When I say 529 or 50-something projects for just within 2 years. 500 and... Let me just say what I know now. 529 projects for Borno State. Where be say every day na gunshot, na gbogbo, na bomb, na kidnapping, na this. Even sometimes the governor go dey run for his own dear life. But yet he is still able. He is still able to have his own focus. His own focus on his people to make sure that he develop that land. And this is a land that has no oil. Because he set his priority high. Governor Zulum of Borno State set his own priority on a high standard level. When you set your brain on high standard level, you will never go down. You will never go down. You will never listen to side talk. You will never even listen to, oh, this one is talking bad about me on social media. This one is disgracing me on social media. This one is criticizing me on social media. But it is only in Edo State that I just see that people, they are focused. So focused on it that they just believe that whenever anybody say anything on social media, oh, the governor, hey, the governor, why are you people, somebody like Abatobaze and every other person, supporting the governor on social media? Why are you people so protective of the governor? Is that your priority? Or your priority is supposed to be that the governor succeed? All his promise, everything he promised Edo people, that's supposed to be your priority. Because when you campaign with something, now. Let that thing be your focus. Let it be your priority. But this time around, even about Obaze, now waiting governor take campaign supposed to be about Obaze priority. Now waiting governor campaign with, now it's supposed to even be Comrade Show priority. Now it's supposed to be Apostle Alfred priority now. Say yes, they need to be focused. They need to be focused so that the governor will succeed and make sure that the governor focus on achieving his goal. Gele now, Edo people never see. And it's 5 years now. Gele now. Edo people never see Gele. But it is 5 years now. Please help me to share, my people. Help me to share. It is not every day that everything has to be saga. I will also address that issue of doing saga that people enjoy a lot. When you enjoy problem will always welcome you. To God who made me. Because that is where you set your mind towards. You set your mind towards problem. You set your mind towards saga. Help me to share. This video I'm doing tonight is for everybody. Both the politicians. Because a lot of them don't have focus. A lot of them don't have priority. It is only when they want to campaign they will have priority. They will have focus. They will tell you this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. Just like the government vehicle that you were seeing on in Edo Central is disgrace. It is disgraceful. It is shameful. Because they got no focus. There is no priority there. That is why things like that are supposed to happen to them. things like that are supposed to happen to them. Because when you have your priority, you set your goals, you have your focus, definitely you will surely be the one to like, okay, this is what I have to do. This is what I have to do. Let me listen to those criticizing me and see where their anger is coming from. It is priority too. Let me go and listen to those, what they are saying about me. What am I doing wrong? It's also your priority. Now your priority be that. But at the end of the day, whereby be say, if somebody talk to you for social media, una go say don't come home. He's criticizing the governor. He's doing this. It's either you come and you start commenting rubbish, you start threatening somebody with your comment. Meaning your mindset is on the wrong direction. It's on the direction to crash. It's on the direction to tumble. It shows you've got no focus. Because if you get focus, everybody wants what is best. Even if you there abroad, you they get like 247, you still want waiting best for your own state. Because you know say you get family for there. You know say you get family for there. Just like father and mother now, what is your priority as a father? Your priority as a parent is to see your children succeed. But when a father lost focus, now there you go see some papa, if they don't drink finish, then go see, you will see them, they will go for gutter. It will come be saying that their children, they go carry them from that gutter. Now there, those children go swear, say, for their life, they will never even drink alcohol. They will never want to be useless like their own father. Because why? The father have no focus, he has no priority. He didn't set any goal for himself. That is the reason he become a drunkard. Because if you set any goal for yourself, you have priority for yourself. You won't go to that low, to that extent that now your children can't they draw you come up from inside gutter after you don't drink finish. Now your children you can't become liability to. And these are the children that are supposed to look up to you. Say, this my papa, he did. You don't mean say papa no go drink. Now just say the same thing now where be say for this government now for Edo State. Other governors are doing projects. Governor Zulu to his own name, he has 500 and something plus projects. Edo projects we never see him. Mr. Governor, sir, rechange and reset your priority, sir. Rechange and reset your priority, Mr. Governor. Don't make those criticizing you your priority. Make Edo State your priority. Set your goal. The Osioma power plant, let it be your priority. Gelegele Seaport, let it be your priority, Mr. Governor. International airport that you people were saying before, Cargo International Airport or this or that, let it be your priority. Not individual. Not be normal person where be say, he will come for Edo State, he will come talk to una. Una will come say, this person, not mine and waiting in the talk. It's not your priority. The thing they pay me be say, those social media people where be say that they support the governor. They are just there to create chaos for the governor. Truth. They are the one giving the government even the bad name. Not those criticizing the governor. Not those telling the governor that this is the area you lack. Not those telling the governor to focus on what he promised the people. But those supporting him because they want the money from the government. They are enjoying the money they are collecting from the government. They will never tell him the truth. Because if supposing they tell the governor the truth, governor no go come to say he no get somebody for Esan land where he say he come from that constituency, say that local government say there is problem there. If that person where be say they support governor, they that community, he go for don't tell governor say, Oga, this area not good though. See as soon as they do this area, see waiting there this area. But because they not make that place their own priority, they not make their own priority to the governor. Say, governor, this area not good. They not make their priority. They not emphasize, put say, governor, come make sure say, this road for Esan land not good though. Now I make the disgrace come that day. Oga Pepper Soup, I greet you, sir. Good evening. Because they don't make out their priority. They don't make out their priority. Even the local government chairman, was there no local government chairman? Even before then, can the local government chairman not talk to the governor, say, Mr. Governor, this road, so place is not good, though, for Ewato. Look at the public disgrace now. The shameful disgrace. Say governor vehicle. Now their vehicle can't sink for there. They can't go, they use towing van, they tow the vehicle, they come out. Is that not shameful, my people? Is that not disgraceful? So, Your Excellency, Governor Godwin Obaseki, reset your priority. It is never too late for a man to change. It is never too late. The only place where it is too late for a person to change for this life. Good evening, my brother Kingsley Omo. I greet. The only place where it is too late for human being to change for this life, now it be that 6 feet. 6 feet is the only place that nobody, you can never change anything. You can never undo any wrong. You can never reset anything. You can never change any damage. But so long you are alive, you still have the right. You still have the ability. You still have the capacity to change things if you want them to happen. Mr. Governor, your priority is not those criticizing you. Those criticizing you, their priority is to see Edo people smiling. That is what me, I believe that the governor should key into. Listen to the other side. Listen to your opponent and see where their anger is coming from. Listen to them and know that, okay, this place I have to correct. Because I read, even I went to your page this evening, I read a lot of comment there. A lot of comment there. Because people said you keep on promising. You are reassuring them. Rosemary Thomas, I greet happy weekend to you, my dear sister. You are reassuring them, but what you are reassuring them for, they are not seeing it on ground, Mr. Governor, sir. Sir, please change your priority. Change your focus. The last 4 years, change it. Within 3 years, you can do a lot. If Governor Zulum of Borno State, under 2 years, he did. Despite the war zone in Borno no get oil. They not get oil where. But the governor is still able to attract about 520 something, 530 projects under his name. Meaning before the governor come to office, he don't already prepare himself. He don't already get his own priority. Say, now so he wants, say, Borno State go be. Now so he wants, say, if he come up for power, now this one he want make people to remember him. As a Borno State governor, where he be say, the state was in chaos, but the governor was still able to make people smile. And those states not there one zone now like Borno State. So I don't believe there is anything stopping our governor from achieving Gelegele support for Edo people. It's a priority. It is what the governor said to Edo people that he want to do for the people. So I believe our governor should focus on his own priority. Those things, his project. Wait till you promise Edo people, Mr. Governor, sir, let it be the priority now as we are speaking. Make it be, say, now, wait till you promise them, be your target this time around. Say, okay, before I come out for office, now this I want to do, now this I want to do, now this I want to do. Even as Lucky Gbenedion, where people still they criticize, say, you know what? Lucky Gbenedion did a lot. Salah Obasanjo na he build them. Who said Polytechnic na Lucky Gbenedion? A lot of places where Lucky Gbenedion do. But Mr. Governor, we never really just see your own. Pinpoint and say, now this thing, now this building, now Governor Godwin Obaseki build them. Mr. Governor, sir, change your priority. Change your priority. Why I said change your priority, change your focus. All those ones coming to live video to make, to hail you, they are not your priority, sir. Ikbaje, the little coins they are getting from you, that is their priority. Their stomach infrastructure, that is their priority. They don't think about your legacy. They don't think if you will have a good name after you left office. The moment you left office, they will be singing hallelujah for another person. Because some of the youth don't have target. Some of the youth don't have focus. Some of the youth, they have no priority. Because if you set goal for yourself, there is never a time you will not succeed. If you set something for yourself, there is never a day you will not succeed. You feel see wheelbarrow pusher today. Person where they push wheelbarrow, you will consider saying a multi-millionaire. Not be say go do ritual. He not do ritual. But because he set standard for himself. He set goal for himself. He get focus. You go see some people. Then go work 500 naira. But inside that 500 naira, they go save 300 naira. Tomorrow, if people like that come become millionaire, billionaire, some go they say na oji, some go they say go do ritual, some go say go do this. No, but because he get focus. Because he know what he want to become in life. Because he know what he want use in own life, they do. He want use in own life, they do. Say, he no want depend on anybody. Now he make and go, they save that 300 naira every day. Some people just did this life where be say their focus now to go gossip. Their focus, their priority. They know they see another person matter throw away face. Now that one be their priority. People like that, you sure say they have focus? They don't have focus. They are not go-getter. When another person matter catch you for life, another person matter catch you for life. Not be your state matter now catch you for say, that state, either good or bad, I get family there. I get brothers, I get sisters. Even if you don't get brothers and sisters there, you get extended family, you get uncle, you get auntie, you get everybody there for that family, for your state. Name it wherever you come from. But if you can't be say, you dey set your goal not say, now to go gossip another person where not gossip you. Now it be your priority. It means at the end of the day, that's why you will come see some people, when they go there 60 years, where it be say, that 60 years, their mates don't they enjoy waiting their labor for. Now that you will go they see them, some will come they do cleaning job. I don't see a lot. I don't see a lot of old men, even for Oyibo, where it be say, they're useless, they are youth. They are youth, the time when they're young, they're useless. They use and take rock life. They abuse them. But at the end of the day, their age mates go they drive Ferrari. Go they drive Maserati. Their age mates go they drive Lamborghini. But then, you consider say, now then they carry one bucket, they go do cleaning job. So, what is your priority in this life? What is your priority? What is your aim in life? What do you want to achieve in life? Do you want to achieve people problem? Do you want to inherit other people problem? Is that your priority? Person where not cause you they cause them. Is that your priority in life? Who not find you they find them. Is that your priority in life? Some people, now their children be their priority. They're not mad, they not get close. But if you see their children come out, you go say, where your papa? I remember those days when we did in Nigeria. Really, I will give that kudos to Igbo people. I will give that kudos to Igbos. Because Igbo people, really, if you see their wife got to bring, you will see Igbo man where be say, now wheelbarrow pusher, now truck pusher. Now truck pusher those days for New Benin market. But when the man go bring his wife come out, people go shout say, hey, now you married this woman. Because a lot of Igbo men that they set their wife as their priority, their wife and their children. They feel they use their head, go they carry any load for market. Till they push wheelbarrow for their market. But they don't care. But at the end of the day, when the wife and the children go come out, now then you go know say, you can say, now here this man they spend all the money put. Now his family, the man just they spend all the money put. That is automatically that man don't earn people respect. He don't earn people respect. Where be say when you see the man wife, you see the man children, even if the man not dressed, the man be like crazy person. But they will come tell you, say, go look your wife, go look your children. When you don't see those people, fear go catch you. You will be they look down on that man. You will come change. You will come change your style. Say, I not go look down on this man. Oh. Now man will be say, he really get respect. He they take care of his wife. He they take care of his children. Now there you go see some people for this life too. Because everybody needs to get priority. What is your priority? Is your priority moving from one social media platform to another social media platform to see who is doing saga, to see who is fighting? Is that your priority? Is that your focus? Because why I'm saying all these things, me no one way be say at the end of the day, I don't see too many. Now Oyibo country with it, but I don't see a lot of Oyibo way be say they useless their life when they young. When they young, when they even get that opportunity. At the age of say maybe they 18 years, when they're supposed to even work, buy house. I don't see a lot of my co-worker before. Some go tell me say, I they pay €100 every month for my house. Why? Because he set a priority right. He bought a house when he was very young. He don't pay finish. He don't do everything. So now just that €100. Now for the how will I put it? The local government. Now for the local government, because the person set your priority. So you as a human being, as a man, as a woman, now make we forget about the government side first. Because when we talk about say maybe government not get focus. Believe me, as a Nigeria, even President Buhari, what is his priority? What is his priority? President Buhari, Mohammed Buhari, what is his priority as for Nigeria now? Because into waiting in you stay campaign, not be waiting in they do now. Not being because there is hunger. Using $1, $1 to change to $1 now. Nigerians are not saying it now. Nigerians are not saying it. But the problem there is that a lot of the youth are the problem. The youth are the problem. If you campaign for somebody, the person tell you, say, now so he go give you Osiomo power plan. And at the end of the day, 1 year, 2 years, you not see the Osiomo power plan. You not go start to change your mindset. You not go start to talk to the person. But no, some people won't be say, I not go talk because now there my money they come. I not go talk. But not be say they don't know say na bad thing, no. They know say na bad thing. They know, but they not go talk. Because why? Their money is coming through there. Their food, their stomach, their belly. Wait till they take the food their belly. Now through that place before they come. So they not go ever fit talk. They not go ever fit talk. My people, what is your focus? What is your focus? What is your priority? Even if you are in Nigeria, you are living in diaspora, what is your focus? What is your focus? What is your priority this time around now? Because when somebody dies 6 feet, nobody they feel they change them. I know no they there. Gossiping people, now that won't be your priority. What is your priority as a human being? What is your priority? That's why you will see some children now. They go, their children, you go see their papa, very wayward father. They go even they say, now that man born these children. So now that man born these responsible children. Because why? The children set their goal to say they no want be like their papa when they go carry from gutter enter house. They no want be like me. Don't see children. You get one of my co-worker. The wife tell me say the husband, even if mama, na serious drunker. Even when pikin they come up from his mama body, mama no know, but she don't soak herself with alcohol. She don't over drink. She can't dey labor. The woman don't know. It's still they drink until she born. But when she born, the pikin too automatically, because he's already addicted to the alcohol inside stomach. The pikin start also too. But the man children now set themselves their own priority, say. Because at the end of the day, when the man don't drink, so take a tablet now, can they revive in your own blood, make those blood not can get clots. You know? I will start get to Cuba. So now that medicine now can they make the man they survive for life. But in your own children set their own priority straight, say they will never test one alcohol for their life till they die. It's a priority. It's a target, is their focusedness. Now, what you see, say, another person they do, where you know, say, he not favor that person. Not make her your priority. Not feel say because you they enjoy person they do saga. May you go they enjoy, may you they follow the person they enjoy the saga. But meanwhile, if you they jump, see, like say for example now, you see all these social media things where they go on, where especially we Edo people they do. You will go look one social media presenter, you will look two, you will look three, you will look four. Maybe before for one day, you will just go around, go look, see social media presenter video. I beg you tell me, as a human being, as a man or as a woman, you go get focusedness, take care of your children. You no go fit. You no go even feel help your children do any assignment again. Because why? Social media doings don't take over the day. At the end of the day, you now lose your focus. You lose your priority. What is your priority? Your children were supposed to be your priority. But the time you are spending 24 hours, sometimes maybe 12 hours, looking Facebook from one platform to another, where you can focus to take care of your children. You will not even ask your children what they did in school. You will not even know if your children have assignments because you've lost your own priority. You lost your priority. Some people go say, I just enjoy this saga. You are enjoying the saga. You are enjoying the saga. But in the meantime, you are losing also your sanity. Your sanity, your mindset. You are losing your mindset. Because if you see A talk about B, you go here. The moment the B enter life, you will go here waiting the B they talk too. Maybe at that time you're supposed to go cook. You go leave her. You go leave the food. If it be say you dey cook, oh, maybe that food now, you can't forget to say you not put Maggi. You will say, okay, when immediately see enter, you go see follow see enter too. If your children want even bath, you not go know. Some maybe your children don't even sleep before you go even stay off on social media. What is your priority? What is your priority? What do you want to achieve in life? What do you want to achieve? Not be say only to talk to government. We go they talk to. Until we the normal people, especially the youth, until we start cleaning our mindset, until we start cleaning our behavior. I don't think many of us will have the right to be talking to a sitting governor, because the governor, when you want to go criticize, you don't already collect money from his hand. How you want to criticize person where he don't pay you? How you want to criticize that person where he say he don't pay you? He tell you say he go give you a Siomo power plan. For 3 years now, he not gonna give you. But meanwhile, you don't collect money from his hand. Can you be able to criticize that person? No. You not go fit. You not get priority there again. You not get focusedness there again. That is what is going on with all these people. That they voted for the governor. They supported the governor. They use their social media platform to support the governor. But now they cannot talk. Because they sold their birthright. Just like Esau. They sold their birthright. The person now when you can collect 200,000 for, or you collect 50,000 naira from, tomorrow now, what he can tell you now, you not going to achieve it. You will fit talk. If you want to talk, you must go make sure say that is 50,000 naira you will first provide and give them. You go first give am before you come out boldly, come talk. That is why, in the aspect of political side, it is not good for anybody to collect money. If you want make government work for you, don't collect money from them during the election campaign. Don't collect money. Tell them to fulfill their promise. That is the main reason you can march forward. That's why for this abroad, when I see when that man Kalubi French president Yao, because they didn't collect one dime from them. They didn't collect one pen from them, from him when they were campaigning for him. From Europe here, they see the campaign. Everybody they campaign too. If election wants start, you go they see them, they move from one place to place, even from house to house. They convince people, but not with money, not with Ghana must go. Until Nigerians and Africans start stopping, until Africans stop that mentality, that backwardness mentality. Maybe person now, somebody like Governor Godwin Obaseki now we are talking to now. We are talking to him. It's not that the governor is not hearing, but because some people already collected money from the government. Some people are benefiting from the government. That is the main reason. If it be say maybe the governor go borrow money from one bank. So the money when you can use, they settle all of una, they buy all of una. Make una vote for her. You will first go look for that money first. So we can go compare those states now with a French president where that was slappy face that day. No, it's not the same. It's not the same. Because for Europe here, they know they collect money. Now evil people, they donate self. Now that they donate, and if they donate that money give you, you must see you must see account for it. You must give them accountability. Nigeria will not be like that. Africa will not be like that. Because African mentality is still backward. We, as an Africans, our mentality, our way of thinking is still backward. We know they set our goal straight. We know they set our goal straight. If we set our goal straight, we go know what thing we they do. We go know what thing we they talk about. Now, person where you not set it go straight, where be say after you don't collect 5,000 naira from the governor, then you can go tell governor, go work. The governor too go ask you where the money when he give you. Now inside that money you go take work. Where the money after you don't eat your own. After you don't eat your own. I they read one thing that day, I don't know where for. I read it from somebody platform. Say they were buying a train ticket for Nigeria. Those train tickets. When they call tickets. So I think they said they were getting 120 million. Nah, Amechi, I think it was Amechi who said it. Rotimi Amechi said they were getting 120 million. But now they now make it electronics. That is automatic. You buy your ticket. Just the way we are buying tickets in Europe here. You buy your ticket, you pay with your bank card. That they are now making 350 million. Is that not the backwardness of the black people? Is that not the mentality of the black man? Corruption everywhere. He said when they sell tickets, when the employ people put way, be say those people they sell the ticket. Then they sell that ticket. But every month, those people come they give them 120 million. Then too come they happy. You see her? He say until now they can't do and say now machine they will forgo they buy tickets. Anybody will want enter a train for Nigeria, make it go buy ticket for machine. That they can't they make 320 million. So So meaning automatically in 1 month 320 million people when they employ for the job, we are just sitting 200 million. How that country want to survive? How the place want to improve? Whereby everybody is just thinking of how I go get, how I go collect, how I go collect, how I go get. both the government, they are corrupt. The youth, now the youth corrupt pass. We need to say the truth. Now the youth corrupt pass. Now the youth said their birthright. Now the youth said their birthright. Because if the youth not say their birthright, youth will be say you will just give 50,000 naira, nah. He go just go the whole area, go they call them, come say, Helens, where? May they come they hail the government will be say you know they work. Because he don't collect your 50,000 naira. Inside that 50,000 naira, if he give you now 2,000 naira inside me, on drink pepper soup. Because the God already know say una life end up in beer parlor. Until the youth set their priority right, it's going to be difficult. Believe me, it's going to be difficult for people to even say they want to set Nigeria free, especially we Edo. We Edo where we just they talk. We want this, we want this. Huh? Don't be somebody like Abato Baza, they come out now, they laugh, kwa. But he could not bring one project out. He could not bring Osioma power plant out. Harvard could not go to Gelegele and show us Gelegele seaport. He could not go to Benin Airport and say, this is Benin Airport, international airport, that people can fly from there. They could not do it. They could not do it. They are not just running for their stomach. So how that state want to improve? Until they change their mindset. Until everybody change their mindset. Even those where they do saga. Until you change your mindset and change your focus. You've got no priority. You just say they just break now. A person will not find you. You just they find and they go. It's not priority. You've got no focus there. You don't get focus. Because the time when you tell they look for one video, they go, they look for the other video, they go. Maybe that time you're supposed to even use and take off your pikin. Or you is supposed to even use that time to clean your house. I beg my people, I don't want to stay too long. It's not by staying too long that we have to make our point. But what I'm trying to say, both we individual, we need to set our priority. If Nigeria can change their mentality and say, I will never collect one dime from the government, it will be good. If Nigerians also, not just only Nigerians, especially, let me just go to the Edo people. If Edo people now on social media can change their mindset and say, let me not go and find who didn't find me. Or even if that person find me, I will not answer that person. I think it will be good. This chaos they are creating everywhere, here and there. Some people, but tomorrow now, if they tell your pikin for school, say, may your pikin go repeat for that class, you go say, hey, they don't resist my pikin, no. They don't discriminate my pikin, no. They are racist, oh. They are this. They are not. But because you as a parent, you don't lose your focus. You don't lose your focus. Your focus on social media. Your focus on social media. Your priority in social media. Now from one live video to another live video. You don't know whether your pikin they do well for school or you know they do well for school. Especially those of us that live in a country where they don't speak English. If you know you are living in a country where they don't speak English, please minimize your social media so that you don't have the story that touches the heart. Make you not go get story where it touch the heart. Minimize your social media doing. Don't be jumping from one platform to another, because I know say some people, Facebook, they give them kick. Some people are addicted. Next time I would do a video about addiction. Because this Facebook too, now addiction. Now addiction to God who made me. A lot of people are addicted. If they don't hear saga for one day, go be like say then die. Some go say Facebook just quiet. Some go say why it quiet like this. Those are signs of addiction. Those are signs of addiction. Those are signs of you losing your focus. Because if you lose your focus, you don't get priority again. You don't get what standard where you want set for yourself. You don't get what you want set for yourself. So I beg my people, not be only government, because those state governments, I find out that they lost their priority. They lost their priority. Markets, many markets born for Benin there. Then till now they never build anyone. They never build anyone. The 100 million naira where they say they want to give a Kiosa women, and not see say they give them. All those ones now the necessary priority, because those people, those market women, that they pay put too. That they pay, that they buy ticket every day for them to shade. So if people are paying for those things, they're supposed to get the best. So, Mr. Governor, sir, reset your priority. Those markets that got born, use the money, the internal revenue they are collecting, the ticket money they are collecting, use it to build the market for them. The money whether they collect for a Kiosa, if now 20 blocks in mode, use and modem. That is how to set your priority high. If the money where you they collect for urban market, the money where you they collect for urban market, if now 50 block in mode, use and take more than for urban market. There make people they see and say, okay, the money where you they collect there, now you want still use to build the market. If you people don't have that idea now, I don't know who is in control of all these things. It's just a simple mathematics. If a Kiosa they bring 20,000 naira every day, use that money, gather and save them. They use the mud block for them there. If urban market they bring 50,000 naira, you save and use the mud block for them there. They use and they build the market for them. Just like the Welu Spear Pass. Whatever we are doing in this life, it is good we have priority. When you've got no priority, you've got no focus. If you don't get priority for life, you don't get focus be that. Because once you have your priority, when we all they grow up, as a man, as a woman, we go always they say, especially with the Benis, we will say, the suffer where we suffer, God make our children not suffer. Is your priority now? That now your priority. You always work towards it, not to fail. Not to fail. You got some people where be say those days that they use like they waka, they go school, then go trek, long distance journey. But when they born their pikin now, then they enter their children, they enter bus, they go school. Some people can't even get car. Where they take go, they drop their children. That is your priority too. Now, we all, every human being, we all supposed to have our own priority. Our own priority, not be only government too. So me, I'm begging Governor Godwin Obaseki, because the last video I did, I was even calling on him to, but Deputy Governor Shaibu did it. But I believe I'm still not seeing a lot of video that I would say, motivate. I saw the doings, people were happy, joyful. It is nice. It is nice. But what are you people going to do to alleviate the suffering of the youth? Like the students where be said they come out from school now. For how many years now? For a Kadolo now. For others, even for AAU now. So many person where be say just day year one now. He go just day year one for good 3 years where he not take go school. He not good now. He not good. Mr. Governor, sir, make Edo people your priority. Let Edo State people to be your priority. Make them to be your priority. When those are your priority, I believe you will start working from them. Because this I'm saying now, you've not made Edo people your priority. You've not made Edo people your priority. Your focus is not on Edo people. What I'm saying, your focus is not on Edo people. If your focus is on Edo people, Mr. Governor, I believe Edo people will start seeing different projects. If Governor Zulu War Zone can still achieve 50 something projects. He himself surprised Buhari. War zone. With no oil way. War zone. 500 and something projects on his name within 2 years. Mr. Governor, they should be reading things on your page. Let them be telling you what they are reading there. People are complaining. People are complaining. Majority are complaining. Majority are complaining. They don't like what they are saying. It is only talk, but there is no action. It's only talk. And they don't want it anymore. Although people want to be seeing action. Although people want to be seeing your projects, they want to be counting your projects, not the ones on Facebook. Not the ones on Facebook reassuring them, reinstating this, reinstate. I screenshot a lot of comment there, and I will post it on my wall later. What people are saying, that they don't want to hear all those things anymore. And these are people that are your supporters. These are your supporters. Banyoma, good evening. It's why Edo State is in trouble. It's true. Edo State is in trouble. There is no focusness there. There is no focusness there. Governor Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State, na bus stop, railway, this. They are focusing on big projects. I don't know if we get one big project to bring out for this many years. It's just on Facebook, on this. Come on now. Go see bus stop where he built 3 days ago for Yaba, where he commissioned. Last time where Buhari go Lagos, see different new cars where Governor Sanwo-Olu bring out. Motorbike, buses, walkie-talking. I don't think Edo can afford all those things. Edo cannot even bring one boast of all those things. We are not even talking half. 1/4 of it, Edo cannot boast of it. There is no focusness there. There is no focusness there. And those on social media supporting the governor, they are just there to support with their stomach. It is their stomach. It's a share. It's a share. That is what they are after. Nothing else. It's just for the money, but it's not for the name. Rundigo, because of the money they are getting from the government, they will never say the truth. That is why the shameful, the disgraceful act of a few days ago in Eastern Land happened. Because maybe supposing they tell and say that road no good. I'm not sure say they go past that road. I'm not sure say they go past that road. So then a person when they told their government vehicle. Is that not disgraceful? Is that not shameful? Is that not shameful? Okay, as that thing happen now, for me, I for believe now, say, probably by next week now, governor will start to work on that road. That is priority. Because the video don't circulate. Probably from next week now, the governor supposed to do the work for that road now, say, this road disgrace us, so we need to change them. A lot of people are complaining. Both man, both woman, we all get our priority. A lot of fathers don't want their children to suffer the way they suffer. Many people cross the ocean, they came through Libya. Because they don't want what they experience, their children should experience it. Many women too, they suffered. They don't want their children to experience what they experience too. That is what we call priority, focusness. Focusness to change, to be able to have what you don't have before. What did you not get before? You can't get them. How can Governor Zulu of Borno State have 500 and something projects under his name for just 2 years, and Edo not get 100, not even 50. Come on. Allow. And at the same allocation that they give Borno State with Edo State, the same. Believe me, if that man come out tomorrow, okay, he knows that the road is not good. It's good. If Governor Zulu come out tomorrow now, people will kill him to campaign for him for president. People will kill him to campaign for him for president because they will believe that he's going to change Nigeria. Also like Governor Sanwo-Olu too, because they are doing wonders. Now only Edo person now never become president for that Nigeria. And even Igbo side. If Igbo man too still go, they will see. Even somebody like Governor Wike, if he still come out for president, people will vote for him. Mr. Governor. Thank you all so much. My people, I thank you. Let me drop this. Let me stop this video here. Thank you all so much for watching. May God bless you all. Happy weekend to you all. Please share. We need to start comparing. Edo not be Lagos, it's true. But Lagos is far, far ahead of Edo State. Until in Edo, people, they start changing their mindset. Say, I support governor. You know me say, make governor not work. I support governor. You know me say, if I see waiting not clear, I must talk him. I must talk him. Now then they tell you no person will get priority. Because he no want to stain himself with lie. He no want to stain himself with waiting not clean. Now then they know. That is just it, my people. Thank you all so much. Good night and happy weekend.